Oh, see, look at me. I'm vlogging and driving, and it's not a good idea. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gregory. I'm at Sam's Club right now. I don't have a membership, but they let me in the door, so okay. But my friend Jackie works here, and she said it's like the grand reopening, which I guess they never closed, but they did like... Actually, I'm not even sure what they did, but I'm going to go see if she's... Well, I know she's here, but I also want to check out some of these prices. I came here with David one time, and I mean, a lot of people like Costco. I don't really know the difference between the two, but I want to check out some of the prices because like a lot of friends say that they get like all their laundry products, their cleaning products, a lot of bulk food and stuff here, obviously because it's a bulk food store. I'm on a money making mission, but I party like a rock star.
Yeah, but I'm in the middle of something. Can I call you right back?
Hi. How are ya? I'm vlogging.
Oh my god, with my ugly husband.
So they have these like bamboo pillows. It's like a twin pack. Oh, they're not as like firm and like thick as I thought they were. But it's a 2-pack for 14 bucks. But well, I mean, it's not that bad. This isn't too bad. I legit have no idea why I'm even shopping around, because even if I wanted to buy anything, I can't because I don't have a membership, and I'm not about to spend $40 on a membership just to buy like a pillow. It's also really awkward because there's like a crap ton of corporate people here. Whew! So that was not a good idea for me. It was so many people, and I'm not used to being around so many people just because like I avoid weekends and rush hour and any time where there's multiple people in one like grocery aisle. So I had a little bit of anxiety in there. Should I go to Home Depot? No, because I'll spend way too much money there. But I love Home Depot. So I think I'm gonna head over here to Dollar Tree, because this isn't my normal Dollar Tree. I actually go to the one that's kind of by my house. But when in Rome, I may as well try this one out and see if they have anything that my Dollar Tree doesn't have, because I'm at that Dollar Tree like 10 times a week, so I pretty much know the store like the back of my hand. Oh, I love the Easter stuff. Oh my goodness. I feel like I need these in my life. I just feel really awkward because it's really quiet in here and they don't have any music playing. And the lady who did a pull through in the same spot that I was trying to pull into is following me around the store. It's really awkward. Oh my god, they have this baby blanket yarn, which I'm like obsessed with. Like when I was practicing crocheting, I used this yarn. And it's so freaking soft. And it's only $1. Shall I look straight here? If I just like had this right back here. Like, also, like, check this out. These poster boards are like 69 cents, and you only need like 4 of them to do like a backdrop. You could do this really cool like highlighter yellow, or I was looking at the pink. Either this pink or this yellow. What do you guys think? I feel like I'm feeling this pink. I probably look like a complete idiot right now, but this actually is kind of a cool backdrop. I think I'm feeling it. I'm loving this. Oh hell yeah, I got 2 pink and 2 black poster boards. These are gonna make some awesome backdrops. Ignore the boxes in my backseat. Obviously we're moving, so I almost locked my keys in my trunk. And to add a cherry on top of these cheap backdrops, I smell McDonald's French fries, which means it's 10:30, which means they're serving lunch. Anybody who knows me knows that I love a McDouble with extra pickle, a small fry, and a large Coke. And I'll take that to go. I almost tried to start driving without the keys in the ignition. Oh my god, so these two ladies were like behind me in line, and they kept setting stuff down like in the checkout line, and the cashier was like, no honey, I'll take it, I don't want to have to pick them up later. And then like she was checking me out, or like, you know what I mean, like the cashier was bringing out my order, and the girls behind me were like, okay, how much do I owe you? She's like, nah honey, I'm not done with him yet, you gotta wait your turn.
Hi, may I take your order?
Hi, can I please get a McDouble with extra pickle, a small fry, and a large Coke?
Will that be all today?
That's everything.
436, first window, please.
Thank you. Y'all, I came home and I passed the F out. I am like super tired, and then like David came home from work and he fell asleep within like 30 minutes of being home. He's in there snoring right now. I'm actually just editing a video. Actually, I'm editing like 5 or 6 videos, and they'll be up for you guys here soon. I upload every Wednesday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so make sure you subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.